Welcome back, everybody. Walmart hitting a record high on the heels of its annual shareholders meeting, coming off its best month in 7 years. But it's not just the stock that's hitting new highs. A new piece on CNBC.com tracks the exponential growth that is happening in Walmart's hometown of Bentonville, Arkansas, and, oh, by the way, in nearby Little Rock as well. The reporter behind the story, Melissa Repko, took a closer look.
I thought never in a million years would I move to Arkansas.
Tracy Robinson lived in New York, Washington, D.C., and Miami before moving to Bentonville in 2022 for a job at Walmart headquarters.
I had this vision of a really poor rural community and maybe a little backwards and a little conservative.
Instead, Tracy found a boomtown trying to maintain its small town feel while providing big city amenities.
It's kind of if I envisioned my perfect life.
The population is exploding from 36,000 in 2010 to 58,000 in 2022, with expectations of reaching 200,000 by 2050. That explains why Bentonville has more cranes per capita than any other U.S. city, according to Cushman & Wakefield Sage Partners.
Every time I go to town now, there's new construction.
Gil and Sue Curran moved here in 1971. The population was about 6,000, and Walmart was in its infancy. Now it's building a new 350-acre headquarters.
I don't believe anybody had the vision that it's going to take over the world.
Walmart drawing its vendors to open offices here. And with the area's population growing by 36 people per day, housing, restaurants, hotels, museums, and even a medical school are being built.
All the people that were coming into town were not from here.
Chef Matthew Cooper owns Conifer, one of a number of high-end restaurants in downtown Bentonville. The dishes and prices rival something you'd expect to find in New York or San Francisco.
They were from places where those prices were already prevalent. And so it really hasn't been that much of a fight.
But Bentonville's boom also brings its challenges. A shortage of housing, for instance, is pricing many people out of the market.
10 years ago, we had 14 homes that sold over $1 million. Last year, 2023, we had 244. We don't have $150,000 homes. That market is obsolete.
There's always going to be unintended consequences of growth. But on the positive side, and what this has been able to bring to people's property values, what it brings in terms of amenities, the education system we have here, it's far beyond any of the negatives.
One of the reasons why those upscale restaurants is doing so well is the median income in Bentonville is about $99,000 a year versus about $75,000 in the rest of the country. Those amenities and this new campus underway behind me is helping Walmart attract talent from cities around the country and tech companies too, Kelly.
Actually, I'll pick up here. How much, Melissa, has Walmart and the Walton family directly driven all of these upscale changes?
Tyler, they've been a driving force. A lot of amenities that have come to town, for example, the restaurants, the Walton family is behind. So Tom and Stuart Walton have a real estate company, they have a restaurant group, and they've also been one of the reasons why the town has become a mountain biking destination. They enjoy the sport, and they've helped develop more than 250 miles of biking trails in the area.
Sign me up. Sounds good. Melissa, thanks very much. Appreciate it.